second night I've dreamt about you, babe.
Hello beauties, hello cuties, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from, and also when you come across this video on YouTube channel. First of all guys, thank you guys for your amazing support. And before we begin this video guys, before I show you guys how effective, how to mix this amazing, effective, glowing and lightening amazing body scrub to get rid of your dead skin cell and give your skin a new fresh skin, so that when you apply any of this body cream, it might be oil, it might be body cream, believe me, it will work perfectly fine for you without giving you any stress. Okay, so most of you don't actually know the main reason why people do scrub themselves. This is the reason why you need to scrub yourself. Scrub yourself to get rid of that skin, dead skin cell. Give your skin a fresh skin. This way, it will any cream you apply on it, it will work really good on you. So today, I will be showing you guys how to make effective, amazing body scrubbing that will help get rid of dead skin cell and make your skin work perfectly fine for you. But before then, if you are new here on this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I put in any video, you can be the first to notify and come and check it out yourself if this is the video you are actually looking for. Okay, but if you are my old subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you guys for always turning in for me. May God bless you all, protect you, and grant you all your heart desire in Jesus' name. Amen. So without me wasting much of your time, so this is the amazing body scrub that I did for my own personal self. So this here is what I will be using this evening to scrub myself, and believe me, it works really good. For those of you who have been saying, are you sure you do this? Sometimes you have to scrub yourself. This is papaya extremely lightly and glowing body scrub that will help get rid of any dead skin cell on your skin without giving you anything skin irritation or skin discoloration, or giving you anything like white patches or black patches on your skin. Instead, it will help you get rid of wrinkles. It will help you get rid of any dark any dead skin cell on your skin. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, please watch this video to the very end and see how to mix it. Don't miss out any of this, except there's an option I said on this particular video that if you can't get this, you can use this. That is the only way you can use other things. So please just go through it how I mix my, do it like that. Believe me, you would definitely love your skin. So guys, let's just jump into the mixing session. Let me show you guys how I did this amazing papaya extremely lightning, glowing, whitening body scrub for dead skin cell. Okay guys, so guys, let's begin. First of all, what we have here is papaya. So we all know that papaya is actually good when it comes to skin lightening, skin whitening, and skin glowing. It helps with different angle, guys, most especially if you are actually looking for a way to give your skin a nice looking brightening or lightening whitening tone. Okay, so how we just go ahead and blend it. And please, if you want to do this, make sure you blend, don't peel away the back and the seed. Make sure you blend everything together, because everything here do contain antioxidants that can help your skin to glow naturally, that can also help your skin to look more healthy. Okay, now let me go and blend and get back to you guys. So guys, as you can see, the papaya is well blended together, and I blend the seed and the skin, everything together. So this is how it looks right now. So this is amazing body scrub that we are about to mix right now, and this body scrub is good. It will help get rid of any dead skin cell on your skin and make your cream or body oil work easily on your skin. Okay, so the first thing I will be adding is brown sugar. If you want to do any body scrub, brown sugar is always the best. This is sugarcane brown sugar, guys. for those of you who watched the video I did about the body scrub I did, you will see I show you guys the pack and everything, but I just decided to turn it here. So I will be adding brown sugar. So if you want to do this, make sure you look for brown sugar, guys. So I'll just go ahead and add 3 spoons. So that is it. And now let's mix together. So let's be doing this together. After mixing, I will be adding anything I will be adding here. I will be mixing it instantly, guys. Okay. So the reason why I prefer to use brown sugar, this brown sugar is actually good. It helps to scrub yourself easily, and it also helps to get rid of any dead skin cell on your skin, and it also contains antioxidant also, which is very beneficial to the skin. So the next thing I will be adding is this particular coconut cream. This is actually the best, but if you can't get this, you can use the oil. It's actually good, but I prefer to use the cream this time to moisturize my skin in the process of me scrubbing myself. Okay, so the reason why I'm using coconut cream, after scrubbing yourself, there is no need for you, so I will just go ahead and be adding just this, and let me add a little to it. So the reason why I'm adding coconut cream, there is no need for you to rub it after scrubbing yourself, or immediately you wash it out of your skin. There is no need for you to be looking for something to moisturize your skin with. Believe in me, after washing off yourself, this coconut oil will still remain on your skin and make your skin look more moisturized. Okay, so now let's mix. So guys, as you can see, I've mixed everything together. So now the next thing I will be adding right now, guys, is my honey. So you see this honey, guys. Honey is actually good on the skin. It helps fight against acne, hyperpigmentation, and any other skin irritation you are having, and it will also help smoothing up your skin. Okay, so I will just go ahead and add a little from here, just 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'm doing this for my own personal use. That is why I'm using this smaller bowl, but if you want to do it small, you can increase the mixing on how you can probably mix it if you want to do much, or you want to do more than, maybe I don't know how to put it. So this is it right now, guys, and I will still go ahead and mix it. So after then, the next one I will be adding, guys, is pure glycerin from Plus HT26 from Paris. So this pure glycerin is actually good. It helps smoothing the skin. So let me do it this way. Let me just add, I will be adding just a little. Okay. This is rice powder. It's actually good. It helps whiten up the skin. So it actually helps whiten up the skin, guys. It's just the best. And 1 tablespoon of rice powder. And then mix again together. So the next thing I will be adding right now, guys, is citric acid. So this citric acid is actually good. Citric acid, if you can't get yourself citric acid, you can use lemon. Fresh lemon juice is okay, but I decided to use citric acid because it acts faster. Okay, Remember, we are doing this to get rid of dead skin cell. So citric acid is actually good for that particular aspect. I will be adding 5 tablespoons. So 3, 4, and 5. So then we go ahead and mix together. And then the next thing I will be adding is my sandalwood powder. So if you can't get this sandalwood powder, you can just let go just like that if you don't feel like adding sandalwood. But me, I just want to add sandalwood because it's actually good. It's smoothing the skin. And also, guys, it's smoothing the skin. This sandalwood, look at it right here. Sandalwood, it's smoothing the skin, and also it's softening the skin, and it's a natural cleanser for skin. It helps cleanse your skin and make it have a nice, amazing tone. Okay, so I will just go ahead and add just 1.5 tablespoons. As you can see, after mixing in the sandalwood, which is 100% herbal, so I will just go ahead. The last thing I will be adding, guys, is collagen film serum. I will be adding this particular collagen film serum, firming tonic, hyaluronic acid. So it's actually good, guys. So you can use it like this on your face, you can use it like this on your body, it's no problem. So I will just go ahead and add. This is how it looks. I've used it before. Yeah, I've used some of it. I've used from inside before. So I will just go ahead. So the collagen, I don't want it to be very much. You guys know that collagen is actually good for the skin. If you want to whiten up your skin, it's good, and it helps maintain your skin and give you the nice skin. Okay, so for me to make it more hard, I will just go ahead and add more brown sugar. So after then, I will just go ahead and mix properly. So this time, as you can you see that, guys, is getting harder now, which means it's not that watery before the way it was before. So now, as you can see, this is how it looks. So we will still continue mixing. So please, guys, if you want to do this, like I said before, if you want to do more than maybe 4 cups or 3 cups, make sure you add any preservative to make it last long for you, or you can store it in your fridge, store it in a cool place. Okay, the reason why I say you can add preservative, you guys know papaya, the scent is amazing when it's that long. Okay, when it's up to 2 to 3 weeks, the scent, it changes. So for me, I'm not going to add any preservative. That is the reason why I will be putting it inside my fridge. Okay, so here is my scrub bowl, and here is the cover. So make sure you look for a glass bowl. Okay, so now let's turn everything in here. So guys, as you can see, my amazing body scrub for skin glowing, whitening, and lightening is well prepared. So if you want to do this, please go through the way I mix mine. And sorry guys if I'm not telling you what all the ingredients I use, the content of it, because I don't want this video to be longer than usual, you guys know. So please, if you want to do this, go ahead and do this. Make sure you scrub yourself before you want to start any body cream of your choice or any oil of your choice. Make sure you scrub yourself 1 to 2 times in a week to get a proper result. So that is just it for this video, guys, and thank you guys for your amazing support. I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you, protect you. And also, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and feel free to state your opinion if there is anything you need to know. If you want to get any of these products I use, just inbox me, follow me on Instagram or WhatsApp, Facebook. I will definitely reply your message and tell you how to get it. And be safe, and thank you guys, and see you guys in my next amazing video. Bye bye.